Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your microphone not working in calls on your Xiaomi 17 Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is simply check microphone hole for any debris or dust that may be stuck inside of there. So, as you guys know, we got this at the bottom. Now we want to make sure that there's nothing in it. And if there's nothing in it, let me quickly take a closer look. Now there's nothing. My phone is clear as a day. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna test with the voice recorder. So we're gonna go over into the apps, and here, as you guys can see, we can easily use, let's say, we're gonna use the camera this time. We're gonna go to video. Now we're gonna start recording and see if our microphone is working. So let's just stop talking for a second and let's get it back. Now we can stop the video and then we can go there and simply, let me quickly see if my volume is up there. Of course it is. So now we're gonna start recording, and yes, so everything works right here. My microphone is working, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you simply doing the next thing. So what we're doing next is updating our software. This is almost the last step. We're gonna go to About Phone and here click Update. Now it's checking for updates. I do have an update available, as you guys can see. You just need to click Download Update. And as you guys can see, that was getting the information about it, and soon we will be starting to download it. So what do you guys want to do as a last resort officially is back up your device first. Go to backup and restore, back it up to the mobile device or anything else. It's totally dependent on you, and then factory reset it. So this is what you guys need to do if the microphone is still not working even after the software update. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.